Both ends of the two cables are the same. After receiving the machine, the screen was removed for easy packaging. When installing, tighten the 4 screws. The plug can also be installed in the corresponding hole. There is a red emergency stop button on the screen and a green start button on the side. Then pass a network cable through the hole to the corresponding interface below the screen. The other one is plugged into the interface next to the computer. There are 2 thin black and red lines on the left and right sides of the emergency stop button slot. The lines on the left and right of the start button slots are thick and red. If you press the side with your hand, the slot inside is loose. Then install it in the hole below the start button. Press it with your hand first, and then release it after the card slot is inserted into the hole. After the installation is completed, tighten the corresponding screws to lock the bottom plate. Plug the network cable into the computer interface. Then find Change Adapter options in Network and Internet settings. Click to enter and select Ethernet. Note: if an X is displayed at the Ethernet position, it means that the connection is not successful. It may be that the power is not turned on. In this case, you need to turn the power switch upwards. The machine screen shows that it is connected, but there is no X at the Ethernet position. Then click Ethernet and select any network communication protocol in the properties and enter the IP address. All IPs need to be re-entered, but do not delete the displayed ones after entering. First, click Automatically Get the IP address, and then click Use the following IP address. The data will be cleared, and then enter the IP you need. The IP address is unique. Enter 134.1 to 8.0.222 in the first line. Click the subnet mask with your mouse to automatically generate an IP address. However, the third digit value needs to be changed from 0 to 255 and finally becomes to 55 dot to 55 dot to 55.0. Click Use the following DNS server address and enter 114.114.115.115 in preferred DNS server. After entering, click OK and close the page to exit. After the customer receives the machine, a folder will be sent to the user. after the software in the folder is installed. Just open the software.